Hello, I'm Dr. Abhinav. In this video today, we'll see about UPSC CMS exam versus NEET PG exam. So, UPSC CMS exam, we'll see the pros and cons, and NEET PG, we'll see the pros and cons, and we'll see which is better suited for you and how would the lifestyle be of a person who is working in NEET PG and who is working as a UPSC servant. So UPSC CMS exam is basically Union Public Service Commission exam, combined medical service. So it is a central government exam, and you will be posted as a doctor under the central government in their facilities. So NEET PG exam, as we all know, is usually done by most of the medical students after their MBBS in order to pursue their career as a specialist in any one subject. So today we'll mainly focus on the pros and cons of NEET PG versus UPSC CMS exam. So for those who want to know more about UPSC CMS exam, how to write and how to prepare for that, what books to use and what books to study, and how should the preparation strategies, all about those things I have covered it in a separate video, and you can find it here in the link. Now let's start to compare UPSC CMS versus NEET PG. So basically let's start with the exam. UPSC CMS exam, the exam usually consists of subjects that are covered in the final year. So you will have to study only 5 subjects, that is internal medicine, surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, and pediatrics, then community medicine, that is PSM. But in NEET PG, you will have to study all the 19 subjects that you have covered in your total MBBS syllabus. So both these exams have negative marks, but the mark allotting is different for each question. So that I have covered in a separate video. And then when you see the competition for these exams, UPSC CMS exam, the competition is generally very less compared to NEET PG exam. Only 20 to 25% of students who do NEET PG exam also do UPSC CMS exam. So the competition is comparatively less in UPSC CMS exam. So then let's say that you have cleared the exam, UPSC CMS exam. So after clearing the exam, you will have a personal interview and then you will start working as a doctor. But in NEET PG, after clearing the exam, you will have counseling and then you will do 3 years of residency in a specific subject, and then you will start working as a doctor. So if you see here, UPSC CMS, it may look like directly going into the job, but you will be working as only as an MBBS doctor. But when you see for NEET PG, after completing the 3 years of residency, you will be working as a MBBS MS or MBBS MD. So that's an advantage in NEET PG exam. So then once you have cleared the UPSC CMS exam, then you have been selected for work, and then when you start working, you will not be allotted wherever you like. So you will be allotted only where the vacancy is. So you may be a North Indian and you may be allotted anywhere in the south, but and the same, like if you are in South Indian, and even you may be allotted anywhere in the east or in the west. So when you see that thing, you need PG, it is not like that. So after completing the residency, you can work. When you start working, you can work wherever you want. You can work in your hometown, your home state, or anywhere you like. So that's an advantage in NEET PG. So then in UPSC CMS, now you have cleared the exam, you have started working somewhere far from your city. Then the important thing is salary. In UPSC CMS, if you see, even the starting salary, it's very high. It's somewhere near 1 lakh. So when you start working, when you start with 1 lakh, it may look as a very good salary, but in UPSC CMS there is not much of increment, so it's almost a fixed salary for your lifelong. You can go from maximum 1 lakh to 2 lakh while your retirement. So when you see this, when you compare this to NEET PG residency, and then when you start working as a specialist, you may earn more than this. So this is an advantage in the NEET PG side. So then when you now you have started working in the UPSC CMS, now your salary is fixed. You feel that your salary is not enough for you. So the disadvantage here is that when you are working in UPSC CMS, you cannot do any private practice. So your salary is fixed to what the central government is giving you. But in NEET PG, if you see, you can start working anywhere you like. For example, in a corporate hospital, and then you can also have your private practice apart from that. So that's an advantage in NEET PG side. So then, if you see in UPSC CMS, now you have started working at a fixed salary without any private practice. But the advantage in UPSC CMS is that you will have a job security. So your job is secured for you till your retirement. But in NEET PG, it's not like that. Only once you have started working in a corporate hospital, there is no guarantee of job security for you. So that's an advantage in the UPSC CMS side. The next thing is that when you see the workload in UPSC CMS, it's generally 9 to 5 job or 9 to 3 job. So it's a bit of less workload. But if you see in NEET PG, even during the residency, you will be working for lots and lots of hours. And even after residency, when you start working in a private hospitals, the workload is still much high. So this is an advantage in UPSC CMS side. So then when you see finally when you are seeing the big picture, so you will feel like you will be satisfied when you are working in a private hospital as a specialist consultant. But in UPSC CMS, you will, even during the retirement, you will not be in a very big post. You will be as a MBBS doctor. So in terms of job satisfaction, that is not much in UPSC CMS. But in UPSC CMS also, after joining there, you can do MD or MS separately. But then even after doing that MD MS, you will have to again come back to UPSC CMS. So there is a bonding like that in UPSC CMS. So when you see in total, UPSC CMS is for people who want a normal life like 8 to 4, 8 to 5 jobs with a good salary, and since there is job security, they will not need to worry about the job. So but when you see that you want to achieve something as a doctor, or you want a big name in the city, you want to earn more money, so then you will have to go in the NEET PG side. So these two exams are not to be compared, but these two exams are for different people. Some people are better suited for UPSC CMS exam, while some people are better suited for NEET PG exam. So people after completing their MBBS, you can try both of these exams. There is no harm in trying both of these exams. So if you are getting selected in both, so then you will decide to go in UPSC CMS or NEET PG. During that time, you will have to decide which one is better for you, because this is the thing that you are going to choose, then is the thing that is going to make up your life. So if you are choosing UPSC CMS, 8 to 4 job and good salary, and if you are choosing NEET PG, then you will have good work satisfaction and more salary also. So that's basically about these two exams. And you can also find in the description about what books to study for UPSC CMS and NEET PGX. So you can start preparing for these exams when you are doing your final year MBBS itself. So all the best. Good luck.